Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're back making another Christmas card using the Greetings for You mix and match ephemera pack. This is a gold and white, gold foil and white sentiments. They're all the same sentiments, just in different fonts, different shapes. Okay, but they're super cute. We have the branching out dies, along with the Christmas tags and more mix and match specialty designer series paper. This is a 6x6 paper. I didn't cut it down. As you can see, it's scrappy. I've been using it, and it comes with die cuts. Okay, so before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzz-worthy business of the day. We have our Cozy Christmas paper pumpkin kit that's going to create 9 Christmas cards with classic charm. The classic stamping spot is pecan pie, and we have the Abundant Joy add-on dies available for $12. The item number is 167855. These dies are going to coordinate with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits, and I do have a link in the description box below to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you have not already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program, where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem your rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and your rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get back to our project. So now that we have that done, let's go ahead and get our inside done. We have some basic white at 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're gonna add on a strip of designer series paper, and we're going to use this side. I've been using this pattern a lot. I think I like it. It's really light, so hopefully you can see the design, but it's super cute. Okay, so we have that part done. Come on, get some liquid glue. Oh no, not liquid glue. Our stamping seal. We're gonna add this to some garden green that is 5 by 3 3/4. Then we're gonna place this with some liquid glue on the inside of our card base. Our card base is Cherry Cobbler, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're just gonna put this on the inside here, just like that. Give this score line a burnish with our bone folder. Okay, so now I've done some die cutting ahead of time. So I took this piece of designer series paper right here. It is 5 1/4 by 4, and I die cut using the branching out dies. This is the second from the largest die, and I cut that out. I think it's the second from the largest, yeah. And we're gonna flip this over and use this side, okay? And we're gonna use this one as well. Then I also have some gold foil, and I cut this out with the branching out dies, and this is the largest die from the branching out dies, and I cut another piece out just to save some of my foil, okay? So this is gonna get layered onto some garden green, and the garden green is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. And then I have another piece of garden green that is 3 3/4 by 5 1/8, and I went ahead and bannered the ends. So we're gonna layer this up like this, okay? So let me go ahead and put some Stampin' Seal. And I'm using Stampin' Seal just so that it won't make a mess on my desktop, because I have the holes in here on this layer. So we're just gonna mat that and give it a tiny little border. And then we're gonna take this one and mat that on there. So let's see, let's go ahead and put some Stampin' Seal on the back of this. That's what I wanted to do. We're gonna mat this. Oh gosh, Shauna. I wasn't supposed to put it across the middle, but I do want to get it in all the places. We're gonna mat this on top of our gold, leaving a nice border on this gold, just like that. And now we will add this to our garden green with liquid glue. Like this. Then we'll take this and add it to our card base. Make sure I got the right side. Whoop. Just like that. Oh, I could have did this a little better. I didn't notice this was Cricut. Okay, I guess I'm living up to my name, you know, me and straight. So I have a piece of the Greetings for You ephemera. I'm going to take the backings off of this sticker. Have my Take Your Pick tool here to assist. Come on. Some of them are cut in a lot of places and some of them are not split at all. You just have to get under there and get it off. But we are going to add this to our garden green banner here. Once I get all the backings off. So we have that. And we want to add it to the right side. Okay, so we have that on there. And now we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to add those to the back of our banner here. So let's put some Stampin' Dimensionals on. Get this added to our card base. Then the last thing we have to do is add some bling. Because what is a Christmas card without bling? I guess it's just a blingless Christmas card. Okay, let's see if I can get these backings off. Oh, that was pretty simple. Okay, and I want to put this about, did I want it down here? Yeah, I think I want to put it down here. About right there is good, I think. About like that. Okay, and then we're going to get our traditional sparkling sequins. I'm loving this sequins. They're so cute. Let's move all this paper out of the way. What color? Let's use some green sequins. So we're going to get a little one and put right here by our sentiment. And let's put, I want to put a little one and a medium sized one right here. But I also want some at the top. So let's put one right there, the large one. And let's do another small one. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Season's greetings. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.